Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series by learning how to make the perfect dinner rolls just in time for Thanksgiving. Let's get started.
Not too many ingredients today. We need 6 cups or about 750 grams of flour, 2 1/4 cup or about 500 milliliters of milk. I'm using oat milk today, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons salt. Add about 1/3 of the flour to a large mixing bowl and add the yeast and mix it through. Then, in a separate bowl, add the milk, sugar, salt, and butter and heat it briefly over the stove or in the microwave until the milk is about body temperature or a bit warmer and the butter begins to melt. Do not boil. You should be able to comfortably touch it. Add the milk to the flour yeast mixture. Mix through with a spoon until smooth. Then add the next third of the flour and stir it through. Your dough should be quite sticky at this point. Add the rest of the flour and turn it out onto a clean surface and knead it for a few minutes until the dough comes together, all the flour is incorporated, and the dough is soft but not sticky. Then place it back in the bowl we mixed it in, cover it with a clean towel, and allow it to rise for about an hour or until the dough doubles in size. Punch down the dough, knead it briefly, then oil your baking pans. This makes about 2 casserole pans worth of dinner rolls. Roll the dough into small balls. The exact size of the balls doesn't matter that much, however, it is important that they are all about the same size. You can also bake 2 loaves of bread with this recipe if you don't want to make rolls. Try to space your rolls fairly evenly, leaving a bit of space between them. But they don't need tons of space either, just a bit of growing room. Let rise another 30 minutes. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Then as soon as they come out of the oven, butter the tops of the rolls. This will help keep them soft and keep them from drying out too quickly. These rolls are soft and delicious. They're the perfect accompaniment to a good dinner. They would also make great slider sandwiches. I can seriously eat these with nothing on them. I love them. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.